name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get curls like mine. I'm doing my curly hair routine. As always, I hope you guys like the videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And let's get started.
So I just hopped out of the shower and I made sure that my whole head was wet, and then I dried my hair with a cotton shirt. I typically only use cotton shirts to dry my hair just because that helps produce less frizz. Then I just take and section a piece from the back of my hair, and then I put the rest up in a bun. Then I just take my spray bottle and re-wet my hair so that way it's easier to comb through and detangle. And my spray bottle just has some water and some essential oils in it. And then I take my comb and I start detangling my hair, starting at the ends and working my way up to the root. Next, I take my Suave Keratin conditioner and my Suave Mint and Rosemary conditioner, and I put about a dime to quarter size amount to each section depending on how big I make the section. Sorry, I keep squinting, y'all. It's just that
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Anyways, I just repeat those steps for the rest of my head. For the front of my hair, I just take and I look down, and whatever falls to the front of my face, I leave that out to finger coil, and then I put the rest in a ponytail so that way it's out of the way. Then I take my Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard and I use about 2/4 worth and rub that throughout my hair. Next, I take my blow dryer, and I honestly don't know what type of blow dryer it is, but I take it and I add my diffuser head and I put my blow dryer on the lowest setting and I diffuse my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. When my hair is mostly dry, I take it and split it in half and I put one side into a bun, and then I take and detach my diffuser head and I put the temperature all the way up on the blow dryer and I begin to just stretch and blow dry my hair. It helps my curls dry way faster and it also helps add the volume that I love. Once my hair is completely dry, I just take it and I throw it up in a bun while I do my edges because we know our edges always have to be slayed to the gods. The last step is to just take your hair out of the bun, fluff it, and you're ready to go. That's it for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope I'll be seeing you in the next video.